Earth is our home, a vibrant planet teeming with life. From the icy poles to the lush rainforests, life thrives at a comfortable temperature. This isn't an accident. It's the result of a finely tuned system that keeps our planet's temperature just right. Think of Earth as a giant spaceship hurtling through the coldness of space. Our star, the sun, bathes us in light and warmth. But without a way to trap that heat, Earth would be a frozen wasteland. Luckily, our planet has a remarkable system for regulating its temperature. This system, in essence, is a delicate balancing act. It ensures that Earth receives enough energy from the sun to sustain life without becoming too hot or too cold. This is the story of how Earth maintains its cool. Imagine the sun as a giant campfire in the vastness of space. It constantly radiates energy in the form of light and heat. Some of this energy reaches Earth, traveling millions of miles to warm our planet. But here's the crucial part. Earth doesn't absorb all the energy it receives. Like a mirror reflecting light, our planet reflects some of the sun's energy back into space. This reflection is vital for keeping Earth's temperature in check. The balance between absorbed and reflected energy is what determines Earth's average temperature. This delicate balance is what makes our planet habitable. Imagine Earth wrapped in a cozy blanket on a cold night. This blanket represents our atmosphere, and within it are gases called greenhouse gases. These gases act like a trap for heat. Sunlight passes through the atmosphere and warms the Earth's surface. As the surface warms, it radiates heat back outwards. Greenhouse gases absorb some of this outgoing heat, preventing it from escaping into space. This trapping of heat is essential for life. Without greenhouse gases, Earth's average temperature would be a frigid -18 degrees Celsius. The problem arises when the blanket becomes too thick, trapping too much heat. Carbon dioxide is a key player in the Earth's temperature regulation. It is a greenhouse gas, and its concentration in the atmosphere plays a significant role in the greenhouse effect. But nature has a way of regulating carbon dioxide levels. This regulation happens through a process called the carbon cycle. Oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface, and they play a crucial role in regulating our planet's temperature. Think of oceans as giant heat sinks. They absorb vast amounts of heat from the sun, preventing extreme temperature swings. Ocean currents act like conveyor belts, distributing this heat around the globe. Warm currents from the tropics flow towards the poles, while cold currents flow from the poles towards the equator. This circulation helps to moderate temperatures worldwide. Furthermore, oceans absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This absorption helps to regulate carbon dioxide levels and mitigate the greenhouse effect. However, the capacity of oceans to absorb carbon dioxide is not limitless. Ice, particularly at the poles, plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's temperature. Ice acts like a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight back into space. This reflectivity, known as albedo, helps to cool the planet. However, as global temperatures rise, ice melts at an alarming rate. As ice melts, it exposes darker surfaces like water and land, which absorb more heat. This absorption further accelerates warming, leading to a vicious cycle of ice melt and temperature rise. The consequences of melting ice are far-reaching, from rising sea levels to disrupted weather patterns. Understanding the delicate dance between ice and climate is crucial for comprehending the urgency of climate change. For millennia, Earth's natural systems have maintained a delicate balance, regulating temperature and supporting life. However, human activities are now disrupting this harmony at an unprecedented rate. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes release massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This increase in greenhouse gases is trapping more heat, leading to a warming planet. The consequences of this warming are already being felt worldwide. Rising sea levels, more frequent and intense heat waves, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems. Our actions have consequences, and we are witnessing them unfold before our very eyes. Understanding how Earth regulates its temperature is not merely an academic exercise. It is a matter of survival. The science is clear: human activities are changing our planet's climate, and the consequences are dire. This understanding must be the foundation for action. We must transition away from fossil fuels and embrace clean and renewable energy sources. We must protect our forests and oceans, which act as vital carbon sinks. We must innovate and adapt, finding new ways to live sustainably on this planet. The future of humanity depends on our ability to act decisively and collectively to address this global challenge. Earth is a remarkable planet, a unique oasis in the vastness of space. For billions of years, it has nurtured life, providing a stable and hospitable environment. But our planet is not invincible. It is vulnerable to the consequences of our actions. Understanding the science behind Earth's climate regulation is not just about knowledge. It's about responsibility. It's about recognizing the intricate web of life that sustains us and taking action to preserve it for generations to come. Let us be the generation that safeguards our planet, that restores the balance, and ensures that Earth remains a vibrant oasis for all life, now and in the future.